Good morning. Today I would like to share with you a quick tip. If you have a cable like this, there we are, and let's take the green one. Normally what you would do, strip the insulation off. Let's move that out of the way. There we go. And you twist it, and then you cut off the surplus, and then you connect it. There we go, you can see that. Then you connect it to whatever. How about this? Because sometimes when you twist it like this, not always, but sometimes when you do cut it like this and twist it, sometimes you miss one of the strands and it pokes out to one side and shorts something out. How's about you try doing this? Let's take the orange one, strip it as you normally would, but you don't. You only take the insulation off halfway, twist it, then cut it off. I'll zoom in and do it again for you. Please hold. Try again. Right, normally you're there, right. Normally you strip the end off and then you twist it. But you can end up with sometimes either not being twisted properly or one of the strands sticks out to one side. Why don't next time you do a multi-core next time you have a multi-stranded cable, try this. Don't take the insulation all the way off. You can see just there it's stripped. You twist it, then you cut it off. Everything is twisted, it's nice and neat, and nothing will ever come out of it. As always, thank you for watching.